Hi, and welcome to my kitchen. Today, we're gonna make ham and cheese sandwich. For this, I'm gonna use two types of ham. For first one, I'm gonna slice it, and after that, I'm gonna dice it. And I'm gonna fry it for like 2 minutes. We're gonna take 2 slices of bread. Spread some butter on it. And when the ham is done, put the slice with the butter on the pan. Then top up the bread with the ham. Add some cheese. I have some grated cheese, but you can use sliced cheese. I'm gonna use for this sandwich 2 types of cheese. Put the second slice of bread in the same way with the butter outside and fry the sandwich for like 2 minutes on each side. First sandwich is ready. Look at it. It's just gorgeous. And the taste. It's absolutely delicious. What can be better for a breakfast? And now, with the second sandwich, we do the same. Spread some butter. Put a slice with the butter on the pan. Now the ham, cheese, I'm gonna add another slice of ham, more cheese, and cover with a slice of bread. Same, fry it on the both sides for like 2 minutes. Ooh, this one looks more cheesy. Bon appetit! Please like and subscribe if you like the video. And see you in the next one. Bye!